Hi, welcome to 90 Seconds with the Boss. I'm Ellen and I'm here to help you live wiser. And today I'm really excited to announce the launch of our motorised shutters. This is the last product in our range that we can motorise, and so I think it's going to fulfil a real need. They're great for high up windows and those banks of shutters that have lots of panels in them and that you can't get to all match up level. So, what are they? Well, basically, they are motorised shutters, so the louvers move when you press a button. The motor is actually hidden away in here, and we have the solar panel hidden in the back. Did you hear that? I bet you didn't, because it's completely silent. The motors move completely silently, and there are 8 increments that it will move between. However, if you're worried that your kids or your granny or your cleaner are going to come along and break them, they don't, because there's a manual override and you can just move it wherever you want, and then the next time you go to use the motor, it will still move perfectly fine. The battery motor is rechargeable, and that's through the solar panel, and so they should never run out. Still can't hear it, it's amazing. We have a 5-channel remote control, so you can have the panels all on different channels, and as I said, you can have these 8 increments so that you can really filter the light. So these are perfect, as I said, for high windows and particularly things like doors. If you're interested, give us a call and we can always bring this out and show you in your own home, just to show that I'm not lying about that absolutely silent motor. Still can't hear it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please call us or fill in the form below. See you soon.